Welcome back to English Boost Every Day, everyone. Today's episode is dedicated to breaking through language barriers by refining your accent and polishing your English pronunciation. And guess what? Yapmanız gereken 5 şeyi öğreneceksin. That's right. You're about to discover 5 essential strategies to transform your accent, overcome mispronunciation issues, and boost your overall clarity in English. I'm Michael, your host, and I'm thrilled to be here with our expert guest, Sarah, who specializes in accent reduction techniques. Let's dive right in.
Hi, everyone. I'm really excited to join you today. Accent reduction can feel like a daunting challenge, especially when you're dealing with interference from your native language and habitual mispronunciations. Today, we're going to break down these challenges and provide you with targeted phonetic exercises, mirror practices, and feedback techniques from native speakers. Our goal is to give you a clear, step-by-step roadmap to refine your accent and boost your communication skills. Let's get started.
All right, let's kick off with our first essential tip. Embrace targeted phonetic exercises. Many learners struggle with the specific sounds that are hard to reproduce due to differences in their native language. Sarah, why are phonetic exercises so crucial? And can you share an example?
Absolutely, Michael. Phonetic exercises are foundational for accent reduction because they help retrain your muscle memory and auditory perception. For example, if you find it difficult to differentiate between the th sound in think and this, targeted exercises that focus on tongue placement and airflow are key. I recommend practicing minimal pairs, words that differ by a single sound, such as thin versus tin. Repeating these words slowly and deliberately can help you become more aware of the subtle differences in pronunciation. Over time, these exercises will help you produce sounds more accurately and naturally.
That's a fantastic technique. Moving on to our second tip. Utilize mirror practices for self-correction. One effective method is to practice speaking in front of a mirror. Sarah, how does mirror practice help? And what should our listeners focus on during this exercise?
Mirror practice is incredibly effective because it allows you to visually monitor your mouth movements, lip positions, and overall articulation. When you speak in front of a mirror, you can see if your lips and tongue are moving correctly to form specific sounds. For example, if you're practicing the R sound, watching your tongue position can make a big difference. I suggest recording yourself as well so you can compare your performance over time. Focus on consistency. Ensure that your mouth movements match the target sounds you're aiming for. This visual feedback is a powerful tool for self-correction and will significantly enhance your pronunciation.
I love that. Seeing yourself in action can be a real eye-opener. Now, let's discuss our third essential tip. Seek constructive feedback from native speakers. Feedback is crucial to identify areas that need improvement. Sarah, what are some effective ways to get feedback, and how can learners overcome the fear of criticism?
Feedback is indeed vital for improvement. One effective approach is to participate in language exchange sessions or join online communities where native speakers are active. Platforms like Italki or Tandem can be great for connecting with native speakers who can offer constructive criticism. When you ask for feedback, be specific. Ask, how can I improve my TH sound? Or do my intonation patterns sound natural? This targeted feedback is more actionable. Also, remember that constructive criticism is a learning opportunity. Try to adopt a growth mindset. Every piece of feedback brings you closer to your goal. Embracing feedback will help you overcome self-doubt and accelerate your progress.
That's very encouraging. Constructive feedback can truly make a difference in your learning journey. Now, let's move on to our fourth essential tip. Implement consistent practice and repetition. Consistency is the key to mastering any skill. Sarah, how should learners structure their practice sessions for maximum effect?
Consistency is everything. I recommend setting aside dedicated time each day, whether it's 15, 20, or 30 minutes, specifically for accent reduction practice. The more you practice, the more your brain and speech muscles adapt to the new patterns. Structure your sessions by focusing on one sound or set of sounds at a time. For instance, dedicate one day to practicing vowel sounds and another to consonants. Use a combination of phonetic exercises, mirror practice, and feedback sessions to reinforce learning. Over time, These regular sessions will build your confidence and make the correct pronunciation feel natural.
Absolutely, repetition and regular practice are the bedrock of improvement. And finally, our fifth essential tip is integrate real life scenarios into your practice. It's one thing to practice sounds in isolation, but applying them in real life contexts is what truly solidifies your learning. Sarah, how can learners incorporate real life practice into their accent reduction efforts?
Integrating real life scenarios is crucial because language is meant to be used in context. I suggest that you engage in activities like reading aloud, participating in group discussions, or even simulating conversations with a friend. For example, choose a short news article or a dialogue from a movie and practice reading it aloud, focusing on accurate pronunciation and natural intonation. You could also record yourself and then listen to identify areas for improvement. Additionally, try to incorporate these sounds into your daily conversation. The more you use your refined accent in real contexts, the more confident and fluent you'll become.
Let's quickly recap the 5 essential things you must do to transform your accent and achieve accent mastery. 1. Embrace targeted phonetic exercises. Practice minimal pairs and specific sounds to retrain your speech. 2. Utilize mirror practices for self-correction. Observe your articulation and adjust your mouth movements accordingly. 3. Seek constructive feedback from native speakers. Connect with language exchange partners and ask for targeted advice. 5. Implement consistent practice and repetition. Dedicate daily time to focused accent reduction exercises. 5. Integrate real-life scenarios into your practice. Apply your improved pronunciation in conversations and reading aloud to solidify your learning.
Exactly, Michael. By following these 5 strategies, you can break down language barriers and achieve smoother, more confident speech. Remember, accent reduction isn't about losing your identity. It's about enhancing clarity and boosting your communication skills. Every step you take, every practice session, brings you closer to your goal.
Before we wrap up today's episode, I want to encourage all our listeners to start applying these techniques right away. Whether it's practicing your phonetic drills, standing in front of a mirror, or scheduling a session with a native speaker, every little bit counts. Consistent effort over time will yield amazing results.
Absolutely. Embrace every opportunity to practice and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Every mistake is a stepping stone to improvement, and with determination and regular practice, your accent will become clearer and your speech more confident.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Sarah, and thank you to all our listeners for tuning in. If you found today's episode helpful, please check out our previous videos on speaking, listening, vocabulary, and writing to further enhance your English learning journey. We update our channel daily with fresh, engaging content, so be sure to visit every day.
Yes, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode, like this video if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our community grow and inspires us to continue delivering innovative language tips and expert guidance.
That's right. So, as you leave today's session, keep these 5 essential strategies in mind to master your accent. Embrace targeted phonetic exercises. Use mirror practices for self-correction. Seek constructive feedback. Practice consistently, and integrate real-life scenarios into your practice. With these tools, you're well on your way to breaking through language barriers and achieving clear, confident English pronunciation.
Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember that every step you take is progress. Your voice matters, and refining your accent will open up countless opportunities for effective communication.
Thank you again for joining us on Accent Mastery. Break barriers and polish your English pronunciation today. Don't forget to check out our previous episodes for more practical language tips, subscribe for daily updates, and share this podcast with your friends and family. Together, we're building a vibrant community of confident English speakers.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay determined, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode with more exciting, actionable tips.
Until next time, this is Michael with Sarah by my side signing off. Have an amazing day and keep transforming your speech with Accent Mastery.